Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I have this amazing juicy cilantro lime chicken thigh recipe for you guys. It's so amazingly delicious. But before I begin, as usual, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and let's begin. Alright guys, before I begin, please check the description box below for all the measurement and the ingredients. These are the chicken thighs I'll be using for today's recipe. They are bone-in chicken thighs. And here for the seasoning, I am using salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, oregano, chili powder, and as well as some cumin. And also we have a handful of fresh cilantro, as well as about 6 garlic cloves minced. And we have 2 lime here. We'll be using the lime juice. And here we also have some butter. And also we'll be adding a little bit of olive oil to the chicken as well. To begin, I'm starting by prepping all of my ingredients before I start cooking. First thing I am going to tackle is the cilantro. I am going to chop them very finely. Once I am done, I'll show you guys what to do next. Next, I am going to slice the lime right in the middle. We'll be using the juice for a nice lemony sour flavor. Now, this is the chicken we'll be working with. They're bone-in thighs. I am going to trim the excess skin. Now, this is very optional, but keep in mind not to trim off the fat because you do need the fat to make the chicken nice and juicy once it's done cooking or baking. But just the extra skin, if you don't want to cut the extra skin, that's up to you, but I like to cut that off. All right, now it's time for me to marinate my chicken. I am going to be adding in all of the dry seasoning that I showed you guys. They are bomb together, especially with this chicken. Oh my goodness, it's the perfect flavoring for this chicken thigh. You can use boneless chicken thighs if you want, but I feel like using bone-in chicken thighs keep the chicken nice and juicy. So we're going to generously season our chicken and make sure you rub all of that seasoning in. All right, now I am going in with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just drizzle that on there. And also I am going to pour in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. The butter will make the chicken nice and moist and nice and juicy. Also, we have the garlic for a nice garlicky flavor. When I cook, I like to use a lot of garlic. So I'm using about 6 cloves of garlic, and here comes the cilantro. For a nice cilantro flavor, you're going to add that in. And also we're going to squeeze in that lime juice. I know some people even take it to the next level by using the zest of the lime. Honestly, I don't think it's a good idea. I just don't want this chicken to be bitter, so that's why I didn't use the zest, but I know some people do. I don't like it. I've tried it before. It was kind of bitter. And also keep in mind, if you are using lime with the seeds like I am using, make sure you don't have any seeds in your chicken. That will also cause the chicken to give you like a bitter taste as well. Now you're going to use your hand to mix everything together. Yes, yes, yes. Just work in the seasoning in the chicken. And this is what I called well-seasoned chicken. Look at that. Oh yes, I am loving it here. Now I'm going to cover this, place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes just to ensure this chicken is super flavorful. However, this is optional. If you don't have time, you can cook this right away. Now we're getting ready to sear the chicken just to give it a nice color before baking. I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of oil into this cast iron. Once it's nice and hot, by the way, on medium-high heat, you are going to place your chicken skin down. All right, once one side of the chicken is nice and golden brown, you are going to flip them over. Because my cast iron is a little bit too big for my stoves, I had to improvise, so I am going to switch those sides. Once your chicken thighs are completely golden brown on both sides, you are going to bake it on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Once it comes out, this is what you have. Oh my goodness, it's looking so good. I cannot wait to eat this. I know the flavor on this is going to be fire. To garnish, I am going to add some fresh chopped cilantro as well as some lime wedges. Oh my gosh, and we are ready to dive in. And you know, I have to show you guys the inside of this chicken. It's so juicy and so tender. This chicken was so flavorful. You have the cilantro, you have the cumin, the oregano. Don't forget the lime. Oh my gosh. All these seasoning, these ingredients combine making this chicken so tasty and so flavorful. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Just know that. You have to try it to see what I'm talking about. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 1,500 likes. Can we do it? Of course we can, because this recipe is bomb and you know it deserves a like. And also guys, I would like to thank every single one of you guys who take the time to always click on my videos, who take the time to always comment, like, and share my videos. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and we're almost at 500,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it, but I don't want to make this video too long. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.